Welcome to this walk around video of this Ford Fiesta ST-3. My name's Ish from Goldheart Automotive and you're joining me here today on a Fiesta ST. So as you can see, this isn't a normal standard ST, this is a stage 2, so it's quite highly modified. This car came into us as a part exchange. We actually sold this car about 18 months ago and the customer bought the car back to us and he upgraded to an M140i, which is mainly what we specialize in. But the point of this video is just to go through some of the bodywork, some of the history and the condition of the car. So very highly modified. You have these louvres in the front bonnet, carbon fiber. You have the Maxton design front splitter, the carbon effect eyelids, coming to the side, you have the Formula alloy wheels, which are in really good condition. They've just been recently refurbished. And the tyres as well, really good condition tyres. Carbon mirror caps. The wind deflectors, Maxton design sticker, and the Maxton design side skirts. With it being the ST3, you do get quite a lot of specs. So the push button lock with the folding mirrors, heated seats, reverse camera. So it's the highest spec ST you can get. Just a few stickers dotted around the car. The Uni Royal rear tyres, good condition. The raised wing spoiler. There is a Milltek exhaust on the rear, so it does sound quite loud. There are some pops and bangs which I'll show you at the end of the video. Maxton rear diffuser. See the ST Voodoo. There is a slight paint peeling there, something we could potentially touch up. Rear lights have been tinted and you have the rear spoiler. And there's just some slight cosmetic damage here where the bumper isn't exactly in line, but it just gets pushed in. There's a dent there and it's just not in line, but the car's a 2017, over 60,000 miles. With a car like this, we will put the price up a little bit less just to reflect some of the cosmetic damage, but it's very, very minor. Again, on this side, both wheels, very good condition, recently refurbished. And the rear you have Uni Royals, which are in good condition. And again, carbon mirrors, wind deflector. And as we come into the car, I'll show you the spec inside. So inside with these ST3s, you get a lot of spec. So you have these really nice Recaro seats. These are half leather and half cloth. As I mentioned before, you have reverse camera, heated seats. So yeah, really good spec. You get auto lights as well. So inside's really good condition. There's no rips, no tears, hasn't been smoked in. 6-speed manual. The car is pretty quick for a stage 2. And I'll show you the engine. So as you can see, you have the upgraded air intake system. As you can see, engine is very clean. Really good history as well. All the history, dates and mileages will be on my website in the ad description. You also have the carbon fiber key, which is quite a nice touch. So I'll start the car up, just so you can see what it sounds like, or hear what it sounds like. So we'll just let it warm up, cold start there. But yeah, that just gives an example of what the exhaust sounds like. But yeah, any questions on this car? The full advert is available on our website with the spec and the mileages, the history, dates and everything like that. So any questions you have, just please feel free to reach out to us, and yeah, we'll do the best we can to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.